Drop it.
How you guys doing? Long time no see. Now let's get right back into the charts here. So you guys all know I'm in this SPY. I'm just hanging out. Not stopped out yet. Nowhere near. Just 8.21%. And this is the privilege of time. This is why we tell you guys, give yourself more time. Now, I did put my phone down for just a quick second, missed this flash candle, right? And this actually gives you a teaching moment. Someone mentioned using the 1 minute along with the 5 and how you can use them in conjunction, right? So I'm going to show you guys. We're going to go ahead and mark this candle here, right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go on over to the 1 minute. I want you guys to see this, okay? So you had the flash candle and then a rejection. Here on the 1 minute, you see within these 5 candles you see, right? So that 5 minute candle is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles here, right? So this is the region we're looking at. And what we found on the 1 minute was that it came right up at or about its 200 EMA. Right, that was a flash. That was an opportunity I had missed. Now, as it stands, currently in a downtrend, right? Looking at RSI on the 1 minute, it's gonna guide me to the RSI on the 5 minute. So you can use the 1 minute to get an idea of really what's happening inside that 5 minute candle and help you execute your trade, right? So let's get started with, can we get some likes in here? Let's hit the like button. Let's get rocking and rolling. First, we hit the like button. Then we throw out some tickers and let's have fun trading, right? Now we go ahead and look at what's happening with Invictus. And I have to get this set up here. Looking at Invictus here, he is 1 for 1. We had Neo Cross. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at Neo really quickly. See that it crossed. You got the cross, but that cross was too close to a level and immediately saw the rejection. Okay, so Invictus was leading you into that cross. Let's find out the time. The time alerted at 10:16. So let's go ahead and come back to this candle. At or about this candle is when you were alerted, and then you got rejected off this level. So it's a candle that you probably would have ignored or knew that, hey, my play is going to be super short, right? Very, very quick scalp. Let's see. I know I never asked for likes, but STV does it. You get a lot of people on the stream, so apparently it works for the algorithms, right? I want to get the algorithms on these live streams so that you know, people can learn about trade1348.com. Link down in the description. And shout out to Jason once again, the community's first millionaire. I don't know, guys. If I don't motivate you enough, if STV doesn't motivate you enough, just know that one of your peers, Jason, became a millionaire yesterday using the strategy. This is absolutely awesome. I love it for him. All right. Houston Patriot, what's up? How you doing? All right. Hell yes. You got one for me. Appreciate what you're doing, big dog. Thank you. Thank you. Let's get it. All right. So let's go to the charts here. And you guys want to look at Apple. I saw the Apple ticker get brought up here. So Apple looks like it's, oh man, it's an EMA sandwich right here. I'm not really liking this setup. I mean, you're still somewhat in a put trend. It tried to come right back up and cross to the upside. It did not. Apple has failed us. currently at a level, you got to break to that level, then you're looking for this blue pill line here at 125.88. You do have another level at 125.80, which substantiates that level. You can, in fact, play the put down. All right, just hit the SPY, 13 reject, 10%, dope. Let's go ahead and take a look at the anatomy of that play. We look at the SPY here, and yes, you're playing that rejection. The 13 and the blue pill line here happened to just merge and coexist in this region. So you had to have expected a rejection. Now, Luke, what's up? Let's see. Boric says, Gabe, done for the day. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Didn't catch that one. Gabe, done for the day. Have a good one, man. And thank you. You're welcome. Apple kept crossing and uncrossing a call earlier. I'm sure, right? It was flashing. Nike pump. Let's take a look at Nike. What is Nike doing here? Nike pump. You had this run up. You broke a level. You're here. You're breaking more levels. I would not chase this pump at this point. You are at levels, and RSI is very much overextended. Also, check the spreads on Nike. How good are they? Okay. Pepe Sylvia says 10% and out on Apple, done for the day, 4%. The port, closing the trading app. Pepe, that's what we're talking about. That's how you do it, right? The market's all about opportunity. You seize the moment, you take your money, and make sure you don't give it back. Rogue, thank you for the salute. Parsa says, I had a level at 379.63, and I set my stop there, even though my stop was 0.03 cents away from the bid secure. Woo, he secured the gains. Parsa, good stuff, man. I like that. Good stuff. All right, what else are we looking at, guys? Let's see what we have on the 3-minute, guys. What you're looking at is our platform here, because we don't do follow me trading. We don't. We give you actionable alerts. So we got the actionable alert with Apple crossing down at 10:34. This happened on a 3-minute, which actually confirms the trend on a 5-minute to the downside. We had Neo cross up. Apple had a cross up on the 3-minute. So we are just waiting for the tickers to start coming on in and giving us actionable plays, right? It is currently 10:39 a.m. Nike wants all the smoke. Let's see. Let's check out MU. Micron, a great 5-minute play. Look at this baby go. You got the call here. You played into that call. You do have a level at 55.17. You're in proximity. If you came in at 54.54, ran her all the way up here, you've made some good coin. Kelly, good stuff, man. MU, you're right at this level here. Let's see, or approaching that level. We could zoom on back up to 7 days and see if there's another level there. And at or about here, right? Not very much a strong level. So you would have to go ahead and appreciate this level here, and also appreciate the fact that RSI is overextended. Okay. Kelly, good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Let's see. What else do we got? I'm going to keep going back to see if Invictus updates us, or we get, okay, so we have an alert with Clack here at 10:39. So what's happening here is we are getting alerted on the 3-minute. So let's go to the 3-minute here. You do have the call here on the 3-minute, and what you're doing is preparing for the 5, establishing levels, and you do have a level right here. Given that Clack is not so much of a big mover, there he goes, at a level. It's coming right up. You see it's just flickering around. I probably would not play this. 2.74% on the SPY. Damn, bro. Good stuff. Let's see. Arvin says, can I look at Lulu? Let's look at Lulu here. Now, what do you want me to look at? You had a call. Lulu gave you the call signal, and now she's currently rimming that 5-minute. You broke through a level here. You came up to a level right there, and you got your rejection. So if you want me to look at this to tell you, hey, it's going to make that move right back up. Well, now all you got to do is look at RSI, and you can see that RSI is creating some anxiety with a possible encroachment on its moving average, right? But hey, look if you give yourself time, if you buy yourself time, meaning contracts that are at the least, in these type of markets last year, in the markets that were like trending down, you didn't have to go ahead and put so much time on the contracts. But in a market now where there's so many swings and so much volatility, you want to give yourself a little bit more time on the contracts. That way you're not constantly being stopped out. All right. Logan, good morning. Guys, Logan is our resident jokester, according to Short the Vix, but Tabasco Dave is our true OG comedian. Tabasco, yeah, he's coming for you. Logan's coming for you, Tabasco. All right, so going back to the chart here, we do see that Lulu is attempting to just recapture this former glory here at 326.75. I would go ahead and secure that bag. She's giving you more than you deserve. And that is that. Now, let's go ahead and look at Starbucks. Guys, I'm still in talks with companies sending me samples for 1348 coffee, if that happens to be your thing, right? So I got to go ahead and try all the different brands, the blends, and I want something that's got like that kick, right? So you can experience being me with caffeine overdose and playing the markets, right? So let's go ahead. Back to the chart here. Starbucks is coming on up into a level. I like that the MACD is crossing here right at a neutral level. This is wow, this is a textbook cross right here, guys. Everything is at zero. You want to start seeing some green on this histogram here, but I probably wouldn't play it past 104.73, right? It just looks to be moving sideways, just a slow mover, and that's fine. Just secure that bag and take your money. 1348 pajamas. I'm thinking 1348 lingerie. That'd be cool. Rogue Civilian says coffee beans from Oregon hit different. Is that so? And that's the wrong screen. But is that so? Have to go ahead and check that out. Apple has some chop. Let's go ahead and look at Apple. See what Apple is doing here. Apple is just fucking around. Apple's fucking around, wants to find out what direction it's going. One thing that I want you guys to be sensitive to. One, the MACD, right? There's bearish momentum, definitely weakening, right? And we have a potential cross at a neutral level. Also, if you look here, right, you could see that the moving average, the RSI moving average, is in a slight trend up, right? I don't care if it's slight, I don't care if it's drastic, right? It's obvious, it's trending up, which means RSI breaking above its moving average confirms the trend to the upside. As it stands right now, not an actionable play, guys. You do have this EMA sandwich. So please be patient and wait for the play to develop. Ryan Osislaw says, F this chop down 0.5% and not compounding my losses. All right, listen, you're down 0.5%. Just take a step back. There's another play. But 0.5%? That's not a lot to be down, okay? Johnny Bracia says, pajamas that say this is my work suit. Wow. Second trade of the year, and I'm up almost 10% on the day after I accidentally bought the wrong option contract on Roblox. All right, Justin, you fat-fingered and you got lucky. Consider that beginner's luck. Don't let it happen again. Can you go over finding plays on TradingView for daily crosses that might not come up on the platform? No, I cannot, Jazz. Sorry. Let's see. Johnny says it's choppy. Yeah, it is. It is choppy. Um, let's go ahead and see what else do we have here. Let's go back to we have Target alerted up. Let's go ahead and check out Target. That was alerted on the 3-minute. We got Invictus there, 3-minute. Okay, so let's check out Target here. Daily Taylor, you know what? I want to give you a round of applause. You see what he says here, guys? Haven't had a red day since 12/27. My gains may not be sexy, but they are gains. You know what? Green is green, right? That's the color I like to see. Green is green. Let's go ahead and look at, let's see. Marky Mark says 4.47% for the week and only traded 1 day this week. Had a meeting. I was able to make a quick SPX trade today. Marky Mark, good stuff, man. All right, let's check out the SPY really quick. Please, guys, let's not refer to any type of action as mounting, okay? I really, really don't want people to misconstrue this, right? So we do have the SPY literally consolidating at this level. I'm waiting for this. Obviously, you could see the moving average is, in fact, trending up ever so slightly. I am just waiting for the move and a break above 380.57. I missed my flash. I do have full confidence and enough time in my contracts to wait for the next opportunity. Okay, let's see. Okay, no more mounting. Exactly. Those EMAs are about to start docking. Okay. Cook and Hookers merch, but no mounting. Yeah. I mean, it's different, Ryan. It's different. Let's see. Leo no surrender says, "Can you sniff my finger? I just got done finger popping the market." Ah, shit. I sort of kind of like manifested this, right? A bunch of degens just having a good old time making money. All right. Let's see. Daily Taylor. He's coming for Wall Street Ponzi. Tesla lower. Let's go. Let's check out Tesla. See what Tesla's doing here. Ooh, Tesla. Okay. Where are we? Tesla happens to be right at this level here. This is a level. Damn. Okay. Now, do we get a technical bounce off of Tesla into the 13? This could be interesting. Let's see. Netflix. Let's go for Netflix. Netflix breaking through levels. I really don't like the health of this histogram here with Netflix. It definitely gave you a little more than you deserve if you were playing into it, right? You were playing that trend. You saw the RSI bounce off of its moving average. You do have a level at or about right here. This could be interesting for Netflix. I would want to see Netflix break through this level at or about 311. 30, right? Which is just a tad bit above 311.14, which should actually be right on there. So excuse me, guys. There you go. All right. So we've got 311.13. We're waiting for a break above that. Okay. So Netflix, thoughts on it? If you played into it, you played into the cross, you broke through levels, you're hanging out here, you're waiting for the break above that blue pill line. I'm looking at the RSI and I'm like, okay, you're really, really close to that moving average. The moving average is, in fact, trending up. It does have some momentum, but if you are green on Netflix, just secure that bag. Okay. Reen Acosta, yeah, I'm actually from the South Bronx, Reen. So yeah, I'm always wearing a hat. I do have a head full of hair. You guys could see just a lot of grays. Yeah. So, but yeah, I am. So let's move it along. Rivian. Okay. Oh, Rivian. Are you hoping for a reversal with Rivian, or do you just need a little more confidence in securing that bag? Okay. Rivian looks to be consolidating right here, and if you're looking at its RSI, it seems to be flickering around here and just bouncing above. I would say just wait for some real momentum. Let's see. I remember when everyone assumed that was a toupee and not your real hair. Yeah, everyone could go fuck their mother. Okay, back to the, let's see. Secure the bag. There you go. AMD just waiting. Let's look at AMD. AMD doing a little more of the same, but you can see this is pretty much sideways action. You know, I'm just wondering if the market will wake up and say, okay, this is enough. Let's just pump it for a little bit before we settle down. This could be very much the case, right? Especially with this consolidation. But RSI, I need to see RSI above 50 here, right? In fact, guys, if you're looking for reversals, you want to see RSI above 50, which is your midpoint, okay? You want to see that. So let's go into platform here. Let's see if Invictus is alerting anything else. Invictus is asleep. And guys, you've experienced this, right? You've experienced this. Invictus is quiet all day, and then when he wakes up in the afternoon, he just goes in for the kill. He's stepping on throats. So, you know, just be aware. Invictus, yeah, right now he's asleep, but when he wakes up, there's a lot of money to be made. Let's see, Baba. It'd be a nice reversal play later on. Let's go ahead and look at that. I probably need an additional play, right? I'm only in one play. I'm playing extra conservatively. Baba, ooh. Baba gave you more than you deserve here. Just breaking through all levels. Definitely outperforming the broader market here. So, Baba reversal, I like that. I like that for Baba. Now let's look at what Baba's doing on the daily. This is your problem. This is your problem. Now, to bet on a reversal is to bet against the daily, but we do have a level here at 104.85 on the daily. Uh-oh, this could get really interesting. Wow, what do we have here? Okay, we're just going to draw this out here. Go back to the 5-minute, and there you go. Oh, geez Louise. Geez Louise, look at that. Look at that. Let's see if Baba finds support here at this level. No, it's flicking around. It's flickering around. Look at Baba. This is interesting. This is definitely interesting. Let's see. Levels work. Oh, they absolutely do work. They absolutely do work. Okay. Let's see here. Gabe, which support and resistance indicator do you use in TradingView? These are support and resistance indicators that are part of our chart. So you want access to this chart, follow the link down in the description, trade1348.com, and you get access to the chart. You get access to platform. You get access to these live streams. Today is a public live stream day, but they are typically private. Okay, trade1348.com, 14 days free. Put the risk on me. I promise I can make a millionaire out of you. I can legitimately say that. I can legitimately say I can make a millionaire out of you because we've already done it. Jason, fucking dope, man. Just really proud of you. Let's see. The AMC Ape Group got my money. Oh boy. Ryan DeLine, where would I find the link for that? It is, okay, so Ryan, let me help you out here. Okay. So to find that link, you could literally just go to any ticker here inside Discord. And you could see once you expand that ticker, you get the drawer. It gives you your contracts, your prices. But then you see here, open chart, which gives you a lo-fi chart, right? This is a lo-fi chart, just giving you the EMAs, just giving you the volume, et cetera, et cetera. But let's go ahead and look at this. Expand it once again, sorry. You can then come to this icon here, which says custom chart download, right? That's it. So how do I use the options data on the platform alerts? I basically look for, the theta, right? So theta is a pain in the ass. So you could see here in this example, right, with Apple, you got theta here at 0.62, 0.51, 0.28, right? So this theta won't eat against your contract as much, right? And so then we look at open interest and we see where that open interest is. Next up, you can look at gamma, IV, et cetera, right? Also, you could, again, looking at theta. Theta, I prefer low theta. But theta, as you give yourself more time, becomes less and less of a factor, okay? So let's see what Invictus is doing. Just doing really nothing. And Baba, look at her. Interesting. Let's see. Wait until he finds out your chart is the parent chart and your blue pill lines also go on his chart. Wait till he finds out. Wait till he finds out. You're going to love it, my friend. You're absolutely going to love it. Let's see. Are you waiting for Tesla? Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla. Here we go. Tesla is looking to make that bounce. I mean, it's really caught between this blue pill line here and this 13. RSI is trying to break on up. This could be interesting. Let's see. The market is SPY gonna die? I really don't think so. All right. Justin wants a 1348 app already. Everybody does. and that requires severe development. So that will be taking some time. Let's see. SPY gonna die? I'm not really too convinced. I'm not really too convinced that SPY is gonna die. Right? It just seems to be flicking around here. Hasn't gone really much lower than the day lows here. Okay. So again, I wouldn't front run the SPY just yet. I would wait for the SPY to start showing some life and building some momentum, printing green here on the histogram, and the RSI creating a little bit of separation between itself and the moving average, particularly to the upside, okay? Tessie with a rim job all day. I don't know, man. That sounds kind of sus. Nvidia bye-bye? Ooh. Look at Nvidia go bye-bye. That is so sad. So sad. Look at that. Is the Masterclass a live stream? The Masterclass is, in fact, a live stream. This will be for 1348 lifetimers exclusively. We will then have an encore presentation at a later date for the broader community, right? We're just creating those perks for the members who've committed to Lifetime, guys. You can check out Lifetime right now, especially if you missed the $49 promo. You can get Lifetime for $13.48, not $26.99. Just go ahead and reach out to Diana, and she'll give you that promo code. Alternatively, if you want to be made a believer, you can just sign up for 14 days and we'll work with you. How will Lifetime get the notification? We will be sending out an email, right? So stay tuned. We will also notify the community in the Discord that the email has been sent, and you guys can go ahead and just take that link and rock and roll with it, okay? It's going to be fun. We're going to break things down, really take it to the next level. VZ about to cross up. Take a look. Okay, let's do that. Marl needs to clean up. Yeah, man. You start deleting them Pornhub promos. Okay. Let's see. VZ. Oh, Verizon. Verizon bouncing off the 200 EMA here. Josh Hernandez, we could, and that actually makes a whole lot of sense. Let's see, Verizon 4122 looks to be just on a moon mission after bouncing off the 200 EMA for the win always. You're approaching a level here, so this would be, if you are in Verizon, this would probably be where you would secure the bag right now. If you get a break above it, this is where you defend, but we're not quite there yet, right? I like that you're printing some green here on the histogram and the MACD and signal line are crossing. So this is definitely an interesting setup. Let's just wait and see what it does, right? So here we go. As it stands right now, I am securing my BABA puts. That's what I'm doing right now. All right, got a cool 6% out of it. Playing that rejection. Right, nice stuff. Okay. Baba paid. It sure did. I was in that play. Coin and Apple. Hey, Kelly France. Thank you. See, this is one of those things, right? The community can lean on one another, right? Everyone can call out setups within the community. Everyone leans on one another. And as long as we play it exactly the same way, right? You will garner consistent winning results. Let's see. Tahoe Trader says the blue pill line doesn't show up on your chart. Maybe a refresh would help. Okay, you know what? Not sure why that would not work, but I'll just call out the level with the price and you could go ahead and mark it. Okay. Let's see. I wanted to play Baba. I'm not used to having to adjust to price big spread. You know, you want to set your target somewhere in the middle there, right? I mean, you do have big spreads, but let's see. Let me go ahead and see if I can do this. 1 second. He wants me to save my chart. I'm gonna click save. So, but I got auto save turned on. It's an auto save here. It's. I mean, the chart's saved. Unless someone can, let's see. AMC puts. Oh boy. Tori, how you doing? If you see him on the screen, I have him here on the screen. I call him out. You have a level, you out H it. 4126 if they're not on your chart. Okay, Snap. What are we looking at with Snap here? Snap looking like a potential cross to the upside. I'd like to see a candle break above. Snap is what qualifies as a garbage stock because it's under $10. Let's see here. You get a candle break above. This could definitely be interesting. There's some money to be made at Snap. You do have a level here at 920, right? So just be careful with this one. Play the scalp. Let's see. Yeet says I should dump everything into AMC. Yeah, right. I love myself. I prefer when your blue pill lines aren't on my charts. Forces me to find my own levels. Hey, Moon. Hey, that's cool. You know, to each his own. Now let's see what the spy's doing. The spy is just definitely consolidating here. Dopey. Hey, Redark, have you seen the size of the candles on Mullen this morning? Oh, Jesus, really? I'm going to show you Mullen, and then I'm going to ask you to leave. Dopey. We don't play this garbage here, right? We don't. We do not play this garbage here. Yeah, we just don't play this garbage here. Mullen isn't going to do anything for you other than give you something to talk about. Yeah, talk about with your friends how much money you lost. Right? Let's not do that. Gabe, what's the hotline number for AMC?
Emotional damage.
Asking for a friend? Woo! All right, Meta. Let's check out Meta here really quickly. Meta looks to, again, I'm not going to use the word. It broke through the 13 here, right? Looks like it wants to build some momentum. We get a cross here, and then we need to start printing some green here on the histogram. All right. That's literally all we have right now. Everyone's cracking up here. Still down 200 in Mullen after listening to a friend over a year ago. To the moon! Mullen! It's got a great product! Oh, jeez Louise. All right, let's check out Coin here. Coin trending on up. Okay, wow. Is the market wakey? I like that RSI is above 50 here, and you're starting to print some green here on the histogram there. Yeah, public streams do crack me up. Let's see. RSI trending up, moving average trending up. If you're going to play this trend, you're probably playing it to the 48 here. Right now, not a whole lot of movement going on, right? The market is quiet. Ooh, slow, quiet day in the market. But coin doing its damn thing. Let's see. AMC sells popcorn? Okay. So, just trying to figure this out. Let's say you bought some AMC popcorn, and then you went to the movie theaters, and you said, hey, can you pop this for me? You know, as opposed to going to the movie theaters and paying $12 for popcorn. Because there's no way in hell $12 popcorn is going to sell in a grocery store, right? Okay. Let's check out Ford. The Ford is one of my long-term babies. Let's see how she's doing. Oh, look at her. She's really, really trying. She's really, really trying. All right. Thank you, guys. Smash that like button. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Come on. Like, share, subscribe. Let's really do this YouTube shit, right? You know, you got a whole lot of other YouTubers. They draw you fucking etch-a-sketches, right? And just talk about fractals and shit really that doesn't make any fucking sense, right? Or you know, just go ahead and give me some narratives that was just, again, really don't make any sense. You know, the only sense I want to make is the sense in my port, right? Those cents compound into dollars. Those dollars compound into tens, hundreds, thousands, hundreds of thousands. That's what we're here for. I'm here for you. I'm not here for you to watch me. Does that make sense? Right? Let's rock and roll. AMC, we're just done with her for now. Let's go ahead and look at Netflix. Netflix wants all the smoke. Holy fuck. Yes. Who's up on Netflix? AMC AMC shat itself. Yeah, Parsa says fractal videos hit different when you're faded. Ooh, what do you feel like you're doing? Like you're penetrating the fucking fabric of space and time? Like you're just like, whoa. Yeah, in the metaverse, that shit will make a whole lot of sense, and it has to be. This confirms why AMC's trading for $1,300 and those special books back there. Yeah. Hedgies are fucked. Whatever, man. Playing to Nvidia potential reversal. Let's go ahead and look at Nvidia. Nvidia's not quite there yet, my friend. You want to see price action break above the 13, right? Not mount. Oh, there you go. Just spoke too fucking soon. Okay, here we go. If you would have bought puts at 72, you would have been a multi-millionaire. Tesla looking nice. I'm waiting. AT&T. Let's look at what AT&T is doing. So we got AT&T. Where the hell am I finding AT&T? Why am I fucking so stupid? Can't find an AT&T ticker. There you go, T. Jesus. There you go. Okay, so T. You got to bounce off the 200. It's coming on up to the 48. Well, it is on the 48. It mounted a 48-year-old. I'm okay with saying mounting a 48-year-old, right? That's prime cougar right there. That's some good stuff right there, right? Just recently divorced, hates all men, wants no commitment, just wants to travel to Barbados every once in a fucking while. Maybe you take her to Monaco, show her the good life before she gets ready to die. Make sure you put your name on her fucking life insurance policy. It's golden. But we cannot mount 13-year-olds. We can't mount the 13, okay? Like, yeah, the kids are grown. They out the house. You might have to deal with that degenerate who still lives in the basement playing Call of Duty all fucking day, talking about he's got dreams of, like, hitting it big with AMC. Ha! Got him! All right, let's go. So... Oh, man. Anyways, here we go. AT&T and consolidating on the 48. Tesla looking prime. Tabasco new. Tabasco and I, we have that Professor Xavier connection going on. All right. People are hunting for that Tesla reversal. Let's go ahead and check. Ooh, Tessie, how you doing? Okay, look it. We're waiting for that green here on that histogram. Things are getting interesting here, huh? Let's see. Stout says if it doesn't look like a catcher's mitt, I don't want it. Oh, damn. Okay. Someone's got low standards. How does Gabe expect us not to come watch him if these videos are the best and most entertaining part of our days? Well, you need new fucking friends, man, if these videos are the best part of your days. You need new friends. Shit, I need new friends. Like, seriously. My imaginary friends. You know, I do this sometimes. Actually. Right? I'll go into a restaurant, right? And there's obviously two people. And they're like... seating for two? And I'm like, no, for three, my imaginary friend. And you just see the look on your face, like, is this guy crazy? Or did he just call me stupid? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's imaginary. It's like, but you just see the look on their face. They're like, oh. They try to play along with it too. It's just so fucking funny. Let's see. Well, maybe someone's going to show up. I mean, yeah, but you just catch them off guard. I mean, like, come on. Yeah, what happened to Applejacks? Applejacks is doing some really, really big things. Like, he's actually a photographer for PacSun right now. That's so dope, man. I love that. I love that upward trajectory. It's so dope. All right, let's go ahead back to the chart. I might. Why his name got to be Ethan? Well, it's like, especially if you're with a lady, right? It's like, oh, this guy's gonna be extra with you tonight. You getting fucked by him and his imaginary friend. Yeah, no. Let's see. All right, AR guy. No, look at AR guy. He's defending the hostess. I know, man. I know. I just have fun with them. Yeah, Ravik. Maybe that is true too. Maybe that is true too. I know ain't nothing original about me. All right, that poor girl doesn't even get tips. No, she does not. She does not. What I do is wherever I eat, I usually ask the server their age, and then I add a 0. Just hoping she's still under fucking 50. But whatever her age is, I add a 0. That's it. Okay, so Tessie is just hanging around. Here, the 13 rate. Let's see. GE daily. Well, she's on a moon mission. Okay, GE. Okay, she's on a moon mission. Going back to the 5-minute, you got the cross here, broke all kinds of levels. I mean, you're making money on GE. I would just go ahead and secure the bag, right? I mean, the market is... There's no certainty in a market, but there's a lot of opportunity, right? So just take the opportunity. If it's giving you money, take the money. MU looks like a curl down. Micron. And this could very well be the case. MU wanting and needing to buck the trend here. This could get really, really interesting. What is MU going to do at 54.67? You do have a level all the way down here at the 200. Your first stop would be 54.52 to see if it could hold the 48. Just also happens to be a region at 54.40, which acts as support, right? So let's just be mindful and see what happens here. How do I move my stop losses into profit on Webull? There's a video for that 5K squeeze. The suits are going to start rattling the cage in 10 minutes. It's possible. Moonbound, thank you for helping the guy out. Looking for a call entry at 377. Where on what? Gumble, what are you looking at? Oh, the SPY. Let's go ahead and take a look at the SPY here. Yeah, looks like she's just rimming, right? She's rimming the 5 down. There is this level here at 378.89. It doesn't seem to want to break below that. But there's just not a whole lot of momentum even in this move to the downside. So It's more of a wait and see. Let's see how this works. There are 3-minute alerts on platform. Jim, it's right here. That's your 3-minute. Our last one was V, across down, Visa. Let's check it out. And you got the put here for Visa on the 3-minute. It happened on a 3-minute. And it brought you down to the 200. So now we're looking at the 5 with the expectation that it'll break us down to this level here at 211.06. Right? That's how we're playing it. HKD is sucking all the momentum. Let's look at HKD. What? Wait a minute. HKD, why'd you bring this up? This thing is prime for getting slaughtered. Prime. This is prime. Wow. There's no options on this, huh? Jeez. That is filthy. That is filthy. Look at the daily. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, why no options? This is prime to get shat on. There's no options on this. There's no options on this. Let me see. Damn. Yeah, you're going to have to go short on it. If you got a margin account, you could go short on it. This is not sustainable. Please do not chase into this. Do not chase into this. Please don't. SPY going to hit day low. It's looking at, it's 378.89 is your target. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay. Jim. Oh, okay, I understand that. I'll have to go ahead and link up with Algo and look at the ticker comparisons. Okay. We're on the SPY here. Is just definitely respecting this level. This would be interesting to see, considering where RSI is right now. If you get that technical bounce off this level, oh boy. Okay. My calls are fine. I'm not worried about them. My calls are fine. I'm just shy of 15%. But I've offset my risk on the SPY with Baba. You see what happened there? So I'm good. I'm good. My goal is to hit my 1% today. Follow the chart. I'm not really stressing anything, right? I'm following the compounding chart. So let's show you guys where I'm at here. So this is the compounding calculator. The goal here is I started with 10,000 at 1% compounded. It's a journey to 100,000, 232 trading days, right? My portfolio size is, as it stands right now, is 10,406. I'm not worried about that, right? So that would mean, let's look at this. This is day 5. I'm currently on day 4, right? We're on day 4. This is the 4th day that I've traded, okay? What I'm trying to do is stay ahead of this, and I need to get to 10,510, right? And even if not, even if I get somewhere at or about 10,450 or 10,470, it puts me in reach for 10.5 and 10.16 tomorrow, right? So I'm not really putting a lot of pressure on myself. It's just one of those days. The day's still young. You know, I'm just focused on ending the day green. Okay. Let's look at cat. And look at the spy. Okay, now let's look at cat. Caterpillar. Ah, the CMA sandwich. Not really interested in this. Ulysses Jimenez says, I feel like I've lost money just by not subscribing to 1348. Well, Ulysses, it's, come on, man. 14 days free. Right? Put the pressure on me. We'll help you out. The community will help you out. Okay. What else are we looking at? 80x on cat is way low. Let's talk about that. Are you looking at 80x on the daily? That's the only time I... Wait. 80x. My bad. I thought... Never mind. Brain fart. I was going to pull up ATR. You meant 80x. Yes, super low at 5.37. So there's no strength in this trend whatsoever. Right? Let's see. GE. Daily. You were still in this call here. You're still in this call. You broke a level here with GE. I like the current setup in that the MACD here is crossing, but RSI is just really hot for me. Okay. Am I using a specific ticker? No, I'm pretty much playing the whole entire market. As it stands right now, I've only taken 2 trades. I'm A-okay with that, right? I'll go ahead and look for ideal setups. I'm not going to force trades. I'm not, going to force a trade out of a ticker. Just going to play what's available, okay? Want me to look at it in platform? Okay. Are we looking daily crosses? GE. Interesting. It's cross down. Ah, okay. Okay, I see what that is. So, the EMA data, right, the moving average data that's coming from Polygon, which is sourcing this data, probably there's something wrong with that. I'm going to have to reach out to Andy. Thanks for calling that out, all right? Starbucks. Starbucks on the 5-minute. You got the put here, but do have this level here. I'd like to see it break that level, right? Right now is just a whole lot of nothing. I feel like it doesn't. There's not enough reward for that risk. Starbucks has been your fave for a minute. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. We're going to wrap things up. Market's moving sideways. Let's not force anything. But before I do, Tori, it's keeping me on the stream. Neo! What about Neo? And man, there's a lot going on here. There's a lot going on with Neo. Look at Neo on the daily. Neo is an overall put trend, just moving sideways and consolidating. But look at her on the daily. She's really losing some momentum here on the daily. Huh. Look at the 5-minute. You guys know the rules. If you're going to play this to the downside, you're looking at the 48 as a level. You're looking at the blue pill line as a level. You're also looking at the 200 EMA as a level. All right. But yeah, nothing really exciting with Neo at this point. All right. So target 5-minute cross down just above the 200. Let's take a look at Target Corporation. Oh, be careful with this one. Look what the RSI is doing, right? And look how the RSI is attempting to pivot up, but you have just some conflict between what the RSI wants to tell you and what the MACD wants to tell you. So be careful here. You could get a break below the 200. That would be really, really interesting. Really, really interesting, actually. All right, we'll see. We'll see. 200's right there. Absolutely right. We get RSI. RSI is below 50, guys. You get RSI to pivot down and begin showing some red here on that histogram. You could have a break below the 200. As it stands right now, I'm not doing it. I want a candle below the 200. Below, okay? That's the only way I'm getting in this. Amazon, oh man, you guys are really, really asking. I'm like, hey, I'm going to get off. No, you're not. Jeez. All right, Amazon, just fucking around here on the 13. Right? Nothing really too crazy. Amazon could definitely, if Amazon gets this cross here, things could get really interesting for Amazon on the move to the upside, right? 84.49 would be a target. Let's just see, right? You want RSI above 50 and the MACD crossed and printing green on that histogram. Okay. Daily, thank you. Let's see. Tesla showing signs. I love how you guys are just, damn, I love it. Moro, good shit. This is what I'm talking about. It is definitely showing signs. Showing signs of meeting some conditions here. RSI above 50. Just got it. MACD crossing and some green on the histogram. Ooh, the market go wakey, wakey. Is it that time? Is it that time? This could be really, really interesting. Okay. Let's rock and roll. All right, guys. I am signing out.